the US market has started now. So Apple is 2.5% down, Microsoft 0.3% down, Amazon 0.13%, Tesla 0.42%, Google 0.1% up, Google Class C 0.23% up. We are analyzing this 6 major stock, and in future we will have more of these coming. So please click on the subscribe button and press the notification bell. Now in the live market we are analyzing the Apple stock, where to start and what should be our target and stop loss. So now here for 28th of September, let me delete this and these levels as well. Now according to this, the high is 154.72 and the low is 149.95 according to our 27 September candle. Now the entry price for the buying level was 156.5. So that level was 156.5. But what we can see here in the live market, that it has gapped down. Now the low was 149.95. So our entry for the selling side was 148. That was 148. And our target and stop loss would be, now the price has gone now. So what we have to do, we have to wait. We have to wait because see, you cannot just directly enter into the market just like that. Yes. So for the sake of not having a stop loss, we are not entering right now. Let's talk about what should be our target and stop loss. If we would enter at this place, our target would have been $3. Let's come to the chart of 5-minute chart. Let us talk about this. So this 5-minute chart, this is the first candle now. We need to move this to which place? $2 down. $2 down. So our next entry would be 146.01 and our stop loss would be $1 here and our target would be $2 downwards. Let's come to 1-day candle chart. So this is our stop loss and this is our entry level. Make sure that you enter at this place only. Yes. Next is Microsoft. Yes, next would be Microsoft. According to this candle, the high is 241.80 and the low is 234.50. Yes. Let me delete this. Now according to the candle for 27 September, what we would have done is, yes, what we would have done, the buying position was for the 244.5 according to my analysis and the selling position was $232 and is now as well. The selling position is $232 here. So nothing happened. According to this big candle, we took this level for the selling side, but the market has started now and therefore what we are planning is to sell at this level, not anywhere here. Next is Amazon. When talking about Amazon, the yesterday's candle was a much bigger and today's candle we did not see any move in the Amazon today. According to 27 September's candle, the low is 113.05 and the high is 118.32. So our buying entry for Amazon on the positive side is 119.5 and This on the selling side is 111.5. It's 111.5. So these are our levels, buying and selling levels. But what you can see here is it is inside these two levels. Next, Tesla. And always we have, for today, the stop loss is to target is 1:2. That is, the stop loss is $1 and the target is $2. That is my first target. And these levels which I provide, they are not only for the purpose of intraday. You can extend it for 2 days, for 5 days, because as you can see on the 21st September, what you saw, that this candle made a low here for 300.63, and according to that our entry was 296 here, 296. So what you can see, that after this level, after 296, we can see that this level is not crossed yet. So if you are holding the selling position from that day, as we have analyzed, from that day, now you are still profitable with $16 in your pocket. Yes, for the Tesla. And yesterday's candle for Tesla was, the high was 288.67 and the low was 277.51. So here what we can see is the red candle, and on the selling side, the level for today for Tesla is 274.5. This is the level where you will buy, and stop loss is to target is 1:1, 1:2. So $1 is our stop loss. No, 1:2 means $1.5 is our stop loss, and our reward is $3 for Tesla. At this point, you will feel that every day after analyzing 6 stocks, we are just getting an entry in 1 or 2 stocks only. So what is the use of that? Let me tell you that we are not entering, it does not mean, it means that we are having little bit of losses only if the stop loss is hit, and we are having this buffer zone inside, buffer zone between the entry and the current market price. So we can expect a greater move if this level is reached, and if this target is achieved, then you can hold or you can sell or buy accordingly. What's your position on the selling side or on the buying side? You got it? Yes. Next is Google class A. These were the levels for yesterday. Now for today, what should be the levels? Google is inside this candle. Today it has opened inside the candle. So I feel it should go on the selling side, more probability. The low for 27 September was 96.87, and the levels for today would be 96, and the stop loss is to target would be 1:2. Also for the $1 is should be our stop loss, and our target should be $2. So 1:2 risk is to reward ratio. But today we cannot see any much move because it gives much move in the initial 15 minutes, and now what you can see is 30 minutes are already over. And let's come to Google class C, Alphabet Incorporation class C. Yes, these levels are deleted. Now here also what we can see, inside candle is formed. Approximately same for class A and class C, but little bit point wise difference is there. The low for class C for the daily candle for 27 September is 97.34. Yes, 97.34, and therefore here what we have, the entry is 95.5, so which is much away. Let's don't talk about the stop loss and target because this will not hit. If it hits, then you can take the trade for 1:2. $1 is the risk and $2 is our first target. for the intraday. Otherwise, you may leave for 1:1 ratio, that is $1 stop loss, and the another target should also be $1. Yes, for the Google.
And keep sharing the videos of this channel with your friends, and always play in the market with a stop loss. We are the disciplined trader, so stop loss is a must for us. Take trades, become profitable, and in the end, love you.